Let's get into climate change and money. With us now is David Leftkowitz. He's UBS Global Wealth Management Guy. You organize where to put your money. You can invest anywhere in the world.
That's right.
Is climate change a factor in your assessment of where to put your money?
I can tell you, our clients are talking a lot more about sustainability and focusing on companies that do have some environmental and sustainable goals. That being said, it hasn't really impacted how we think about making investments in our portfolios, but our clients we are hearing a lot more about that from a lot of our clients.
If a company anywhere in the world stands up and says, we are really green, we are we're pledging ourselves to climate change, does that attract money?
It can. I mean, at the end of the day, companies do, at the end of the day, it's about a return on investment and the bottom line. But there are investors there's a larger number of investors that are increasingly interested in having those values as part of their portfolio.
I'm not trying to ambush you, David. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm not trying to do that, but I'm just concerned about this issue that seems to be raising itself all over the place. I want to ask you about earnings.
Sure.
Tomorrow we start the earnings season in the United States. What are you expecting?
It's going to be a soft quarter. We're looking for close 2% earnings growth this quarter.
That's it?
But that's it. I mean,
that's year over year?
That's year over year. Now,
well, it's a difficult comparison, isn't it?
It's a difficult comparison. The global economy has slowed down. We've had inventory overhang in semiconductors and other parts of the tech sector. But things should improve in the second half of the year. Interest rates are down, so mortgages are now more affordable for people. The global economy should pick up a little bit. We're seeing the stimulus in China gain some traction. That should have some knock-on effects for Europe as well. So I don't think it's anything to be too concerned about. And the market already knows this, too. So I think the market is anticipating it's going to be an quarter, but the outlook should be a bit better.
But if the market was surprised and it's not an quarter,
right,
then the money flows in from around the world?
Yeah, exactly. Look, it's always, how does it compare to expectations, right? And right now, expectations are for a flattish earnings period.
That's a rigged game.
It's, well, no, it's...
Place the bar low.
Yes,
so you can jump over it easily.
Yes. And I think the market, I think investors understand that. I think the market understands that as well. But a lot of times it has to do with the outlook, too, right? So if the outlook is in line or slightly better than expectations, then I think the market will do a little bit better on earnings.
David, thanks for joining us. I didn't mean to ambush you, even if it seemed that way.
Okay.
I'm not going to do that again,
No worries.
Okay?